Hey everyone, in this video I've got the Smithy 10-inch glass lid and I want to see if it fits the 10-inch chef's pan. This is my favorite pan and the website doesn't list this pan as fitting, although they're both 10-inch and I wonder why. This pan has been amazing. If you only bought one cast iron pan ever, it would be this one. For me anyway, is what I'd recommend. You can see how beautifully seasoned it is. I wish that this was a little tighter, this leather thing. In fact, I could probably put a few stitches right here just to kind of cinch it up. But that's really my only complaint about that. I've actually tried to shrink it. Look, it's getting a little burned on the bottom. I've tried to shrink it, but I was unsuccessful at shrinking it enough to get it snug. But look at that seasoning. I mean, I use this pan for everything that I use cast iron for. It's my favorite pan. Look at the patina around here. I have a video on how I seasoned this. I'll put the link. Amazing. Love the pan. Anyway, glass lid. Let's take a look. So, nice box. Pretty simple. Maybe what we got here. Oh, this is the packing slip. That's the only thing in the sleeve here, I think. Yep, nothing else. There it is. Just your basic glass lid. I think this was only 40 bucks, $39.99, I think maybe. It's got kind of a gold sheen to it. Their logo. Other than that, it's not all that remarkable. Stainless steel. It just looks like your typical glass lid, except they've anodized it in gold or whatever process they did. It's got a little bit of a ridge right here, but let's see if it fits. It looks pretty good to me. Yep. Well, it does move around a little. Let's see, what's causing that? So I bet this is why they don't list it as a perfect fit, because there. So it is going to move around a little bit. I bet the reason for that is this curve. So the pan they list is the pan that has more of a right angle, which I actually don't like. I prefer this one because I can get the spatula up in there. But if they simply just machined this straight, right, just about a 1/4 inch down, then this would fit perfectly. But I don't care. That's good enough for me. I mean, nothing's gonna drip. The lip all goes down into the pan. You just have this little bit of wobble, which honestly, I'd let some steam out, in my opinion. That has got to be why they don't list this pan. But if you were wondering if it'll fit, well, it fits, and for 40 bucks, I'll take it. I like it. I will get even more use out of this pan now that I have a lid for it. All right, right on. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.